Early in my career, I worked for a computer company that sold an accessory to help systems run faster. One morning, I was making a sales call with my manager who had gotten a prospect to let us install our add-on, reluctantly. Our contact said, "My boss is out of town and I'm very nervous about adding the accessory." My manager told him everything would be okay. Our contact gave in and said, "Come by at lunch. Everyone will be out." During lunch, we brought down his computer system to do the installation. After installing the upgrade, we started powering the machine back up. At that point, my manager turned to me and said, "Let's get out of here." I looked at him in amazement. He then said, "I'm not sure this is going to work." What? I couldn't believe it. But I followed orders. We packed up, left the building, and went to the car. While we were in the parking lot, our contact came out of this and screamed at us from the top floor of his building, "Hey, come on back. My system won't come up." My manager, with us now in the car and me behind the wheel, turned to me and said, "Floor it." I left the company shortly thereafter, and my manager was fired shortly after that. This was my first experience with a con man. That incident happened over 40 years ago, and I never forgot it. That day I adopted a saying: "You might not like what I have to tell you, but I'll always tell you the truth." There's a very fine line between being a great salesperson and a con man. As a business person, your main asset is to having a personally and financially rewarding career is your word and your integrity. Lose either one and you've lost everything. So, your action item and mission, should you decide to accept it, is very simple. Tell the truth. Even if it costs you business, there will always be more business for honest salespeople and business owners. If you found this video helpful and you haven't already, please share it. By sharing this post, we help each other, and together we can all be more successful and happier. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thanks for watching. Plenty more to come. Have a rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.